So, today is maaga nga kaming bumalik doon sa shop kung saan nakabili yung asawa ko ng Nuggets Gold. Nuggets Gold. Ang bigat nun, parang nasa ano talaga siya, 20 grams yata or more than that. Bumalik nga kami doon. So, yung lalaki nag-share siya ng story kung saan niya yun kung saan niya yun nakuha, hindi niya yun personal. So actually bumili siya, nagbi-bidding siya ng storage unit. So dito sa Amerika is mga mayayaman dito na mahilig magbili-bili tapos tumanda na sila or like wala silang pamilya, ganun. Basta isi-sell nila yung yung storage unit tapos yun ang binibit niya kung anong laman sa storage unit. So kung bilhin niya, yun lahat ay sa kanya na. So daming gold nga. Oh my God, it's not gold. Oh my God, it's not gold. So ito nga nabili namin for $3, $1 each. Oh my God, it's not gold.
It's gold plated.
It's plated.
Still.
Aww.
Good for niece. Good for your niece.
Oh my God, but he was so lucky, the first one he bought from there. And I have 3 more. And this earring, I was expecting this is 14K. It's real. Oh my God, I'm glad you hand this to me. I was ignoring this because of the
Pearl.
Oh my God. We're not losing any money.
No, we're already ahead anyway.
For $1, how much $1 in Filipino now? It's like maybe
50 pesos.
50 pesos or 55.
Mhm.
It depends how much the value now. Oh my God, look at that! Oh my God, it's gold, babe. And this is the other one, the partner. Oh my God, wow. And absolutely, it won't
We
magnet.
believe this one is.
Mm.
We believe that one is fake.
This one also. Yeah, plated. I'm sorry, I make you spin. This one is not
Yeah,
$1. It's
Still,
$8.
good for Nisi.
But we'll give it away. And
This
this one,
Don't know.
the fourth one.
Probably not. Turn it around so they can see the fish.
That's fish.
Very heavy.
Fish with stone.
Uh-huh.
But I see it has discoloration.
Mhm.
Yeah, I knew it.
Fake.
Yep, look at that.
Yep.
So you can tell. Yeah. What?
You can feel it stick to it.
It might be white gold, you know. Oh my God.
Do that again.
Silver? I don't know about silver. I only know gold. Oh my God, it don't magnet.
At all?
It don't magnet at all.
Let's see. This may not be the original chain. No, that is not the original chain. Somebody put that chain on that.
Wait.
That doesn't belong
Oh
together.
my goodness. You know, this is come from Japan. Only Japan made fish, koi fish pendant. Oh my God. It won't magnet. I don't know about silver. If it magnet, do you have any silver? I don't know about silver much. I only know gold. Oh my God, look at the pendant. This is so freaking heavy. And look at that. But the chain it magnets.
Is silver magnetized?
Huh?
No, silver is not magnetic.
Oh,
In fact,
this
it is classified as diamagnetic, meaning it slightly repels the magnet. So if you feel like it pushes it away, it could be silver. Does it feel like it pushes?
This one is gold. That one is gold. It don't pick up. Look.
Mhm.
See that?
Yep, that might be
That gold.
That might be
but
real.
the chain is not. So we can remove the chain.
Yeah. See what happens. And maybe it is fake. Who knows? We know these are.
Oh my God, babe. Look.
Yeah.
It don't pick up.
Yeah, I think it's real.
What the hell is this?
Gold. I hope.
Oh my God.
That's heavier than the other one.
Oh my goodness. Nothing. Oh my God, I
You
want to
can-
find
you
out
can
what the
see.
heck is this.
You can see the diamonds in there.
It might be real diamonds. See, you can find a lot of good stuff in the yard sale, market. Oh my God.
Please don't take.
So what we're gonna do is remove the chain because the chain is not gold, and
Yes.
keep the pendant. Walmart sell a cleaner, jewelry cleaner.
Alcohol peroxide. You can make it your own. I think vinegar. There's all kinds of cleaners you can use.